Boom. Dang it. Nah, just hand me the money. We'll do a little, boom, we got you. We got you. What? Freaking, woo! You were gonna give me a thumbs up. All right, okay, no smiles. All right. Oh my gosh. With an American flag bandana and a mullet shooting a bazooka. That's what it's like to ride a dirt bike. No. Well, have you ever frowned or seen anyone frown? Shoot. Take it. Learning a valuable skill in the business. Freaking A, man. Valuable skill on the best shop, son of a gun. Got my sniffer ready.